In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know how to find and copy a transaction ID on Binance, starting right from a simple Google search. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Binance. On the results page, look for the official Binance website. It should clearly show the Binance.com domain and a secure connection with the padlock icon in the address bar. If you see the result that reads something like Binance, the world's most trusted cryptocurrency exchange, click that. As a best practice, avoid lookalike links or misspellings, and when in doubt, manually type Binance.com into your browser to be safe. Once the homepage loads, you'll be on Binance's main site. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you. Go ahead and log in as you normally do. After you're in, look toward the top right area of the page for the wallet icon. It typically looks like a small wallet. Click that to open your wallet menu. From the wallet menu, choose Overview. This brings you to a consolidated view of your assets and recent activity. On the Overview page, you'll see options to dive deeper into your account details. Find and click History. This section is where all your account movements, deposits, withdrawals, and transfers are listed. Now you'll see a list of transactions. If you have a lot of activity, use the on-page filters such as date range or transaction type to narrow things down. When you spot the transaction you need, click on it to open its details. This will display key information, including amounts, timestamps, networks, and most importantly, the transaction ID. Look for the transaction ID, sometimes labeled as txid or hash. It's a long string of letters and numbers that uniquely identifies your transaction on the blockchain or within the platform. Click the copy icon next to it, or highlight and copy it manually. Make sure you capture the full string without extra spaces. You can now paste this ID into a note, send it to support if they requested it, or use it on a block explorer to track confirmations and status. Remember, a transaction ID is not a password or private key. It can be shared with support or recipients to help trace funds, but never share your login details or security codes. That's it. You searched for Binance on Google, opened the official site, navigated to your wallet overview, went into history, opened the specific transaction, and copied the transaction ID. Follow these steps anytime you need to verify or share a transaction on Binance.